Today we're gonna make a popular Brazilian dessert called Brigadeiro. We're gonna start off with a cold stainless steel pan, throw your butter in, melt it. Now you're gonna mix your cocoa powder through a sieve onto the melted butter, stir it till it makes a nice goopy slurry. You can add your condensed milk at this point. We're using today a maple condensed milk because we're out here in Canada and we love our maple syrup. Now you're gonna keep mixing it. Look how I'm pulling it. This is too liquidy. You'll know it's ready when you pull in the middle and it kind of stays in place. Now let's butter your container or your plate. Put your warm Brigadeiro on top. We're gonna let it cool down for about an hour on room temperature. Once it's reached room temperature, put it in the fridge for another few minutes. Now you can eat it straight out of the plate, or you could roll them into little balls, cover them with whatever you like. Today we're gonna use cocoa powder and enjoy. If you enjoyed this Brigadeiro recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.